1857 was a momentous year in the history of India. This was the year when the First War of Independence shook the colonial powers and laid the foundation for years of struggle to follow. However, all was not lost, because during these years of turmoil and melee rose a visionary with an idea so powerful that it transformed the face of education in India forever. This was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, founder of Aligarh Muslim University, the man who brought about a paradigm shift in the Indian society by establishing the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in 1876, which transformed into its present status of a central university. Today, AMU with its 14 faculties and 85 different departments is not just a revered educational institution, but it's a civilization in its own right, a fountainhead of ideas and hotbed of intelligentsia. The university has more than 28,000 students, many living in 70 hostels spread across 16 halls of residence. AMU is the melting pot of cultures and mindsets, imparting education on a wide array of subjects including management. The Faculty of Management Studies and Research made a humble beginning with a 3-year diploma course in business administration. The mission was to create a self-inspired, dependable and socially conscious managers, and the department made a steady progress. 1972 saw the beginning of a master's program in business administration. 1993 saw the advent of a master's program in international business management, while in 1999 the department entered into a collaboration with the All India Management Association to offer executive doctorates in business management. Today, the Department of Business Administration, a part of the Faculty of Management Studies and Research, boasts of an impressive list of alumni and offers a string of courses that continue to shape minds which shape corporate ideas. The department has a core team of 21 faculty members using interactive instruction methods, comprising the mix of classroom lectures, presentations, case studies, group discussions, seminars and guest lectures. The department itself provides complete infrastructural support to develop not just the academic quality of the students but also their overall personalities and attitudes. It creates managers with a character, managers who are geared to face the challenges of the corporate world. The future managers of AMU, a robust and vibrant lot, have excelled in debates, sports, paper presentations, and have also represented AMU at youth leadership camps and at the UNESCO Leadership Conference. At the Department of Business Administration, the focus very clearly is on producing managers who are in sync with the times. This is where history is used as a launchpad for the future. This is where it's all happening. This is where we force the world to stop and pay attention. Department of Business Administration, blazing a trail of glory, not just in India, but around the world.